Viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all are you well. My today's topic is PP meeting procedure. Before that, please read it. Yes, what is PP meeting? It means pre-production meeting, and that is need to be done before start the bulk production. PP meeting procedure. How to conduct? Customer QA or QA manager in the factory will call all those person who related to make that particular style, and they will follow in the production line as advised. This is very important for all, either factory QA manager or buying house. I need one piece which can ensure me that factory can capable to complete this style. This sentence you have to use in the PP meeting to factory production people. অর্থাৎ পিপি মিটিংয়ে তাদেরকে বলতে হবে আপনারা এক পিসের মধ্যে আমাকে এনশিওর করতে হবে যে আপনারা এই স্টাইলটি করতে পারবেন। আদারওয়াইজ আপনারা এক পিস না পারলে 10,000 পিস কেমনে পারবেন? অর্থাৎ কোয়ান্টিটি যদি 5,000 হয়, 10,000 হয়, 20,000 হয়, you have to tell this. What type of comments can be in the approved PP sample? Buying house tech division যে পিপিটা অ্যাপ্রুভ করবে, এবং if there are many comments, then it will be very difficult to handle the factory. Factory will ensure to tech division first that they can capable to complete this style, and after that buying QA while PP meeting responsibility নিতে হবে, টোটালি সোজা কথা রেসপন্সিবিলিটি নিতে হবে। Very simple, we are not making here rocket. Without quality nothing value. If goods not sell, then 4D 5D nothing value, even you, me, all. This is the dummy to check fittings. This is tech pack. While PP meeting, the approved sample, meeting sample and tech pack need to be checked point to point. Spec, instruction, construction, everything is there. See, everything is there. In the PP meeting you have to check point to point. This is approved PP sample, and beside one with polybag, that is factory will submit 1 or 2 piece with all correct trims and accessories, and QA will check in details. See, এক পিসও দিতে পারে, 2 পিসও দিতে পারে, বাট এক পিসের মধ্যে আপনাকে এনশিওর করতে হবে যে তারা অর্ডারটি করতে পারবে। This is trim and accessories card which are approved by merchant. See, fabric, thread, this thread, button, polybag, everything is there. Now you have to check in the submitted one they use or not. One by one you have to check. Everything is there. See, even gum tape. This polybag, neck board. See, this is fabric swatch from mill. QA will check the garment made by same fabric or not. See, this is approved seal. This is wash approval leg panel. QA will check the bulk wash standard with this leg panel. Sign also there. See, hand feed also we can check. This is lab test report and you have to check lab test okay or not. Important part this. This is approved PP comments which done by buying office tech division. Very simple comments is there to follow in the bulk. With so many comments should not approve. Then he will tell to remake for approval. Yes. So many comments is very difficult. But here is not like that so many comments. Just advised. It is not so many comments. Can see, can read this. This is fabric inspection report and you need to be sure that received fabric for this style good or bad. This is shrinkage test report. After wash, how much shrinkage length and width wise are there, you can check and pattern maker can take decision to make pattern accordingly, but you have to check this, very important. This is risk assessment sheet which QA manager and sample in charge will do that to find out difficulties of this style and to solve that. risk assessment করলে কাজ খুব ইজি হয়ে যায়, তো এটা অবশ্যই করা দরকার। This is PP meeting form. While PP meeting need to be fill this and at a glance evaluator can confirm receiving materials so that are easy to make plan for bulk. For your easy understanding you can add so many things here. Various type of form you can see, but basic is same. Different buying house using different form, but basic is same. So viewers, within short time I have tried to explain you something. Hope all are you clear in this regards, and if not please can comments, I will answer you all. ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন, stay well, thank you.